Welcome back to E.V.S class of 7th Standard Convent School. See, today we will talk about plants. See, there are different kinds of plants around us. Some are big, some are small. Different kinds of plants we get around us. So, if we talk about the parts of the plant, it has different parts like trees, shrubs, herbs, climbers and creepers. These are the parts of plant. So now let's discuss and know what are the parts of this plant, where it is formed and how it is situated in the plant. Let's discuss about that. See, trees. See, what are these trees? So the big plant which are found in the world around us, it is called trees. See, the trees, it has thick trunk and there are many branches in it. The big branches which help the birds and animals to make us a home. And the leaves, it is not too big, not too small. Some are big, sometimes some are small. So if we talk about the big leaves, we find big leaves in which plant? In coconut plant. Yes, in coconut plant we find big leaves. And if we talk about the small plant, small leaves, then we find in tamarind plant. See, tamarind leaves are very small enough. So these trees, it has woody stem, it has bark, that means the trunk of a tree, it is called bark. The outer part of the trunk of a tree, it is called bark. And deep roots. See, the roots of the big tree, it goes inside the soil which fix under the ground. And if we talk about the example of trees, then we can say banyan tree. It is a huge and big tree. Next we will talk about shrubs. See, what are these shrubs? These shrubs are the plant which are a small plant and it has thin branches and thin stem. It is called shrubs. These shrubs, it has strong and short stem. Very strong but short stem. And it has multiple stem for bottom. It has multiple stem in the bottom. If we talk about its example, then cotton plant, we can say tulsi plant or rose plant or hibiscus plant. These are the examples of this shrub plant. Next, the herb. What is this herb? The plant with very small and soft stem. It is called herb. See, this herb, it has soft and green stem, as I have told you. And next, it has short height. It is very short height, not tall. And it lives, it lives for a few months. It doesn't live for a whole year. Only for few months it lives, this herb plant. Now let's see what are these examples of herbs. We can say mint plant, spinach plant and coriander plant also we can say, and of course grass also we can say. This, it is the herb plant. Next we have climber. What is this climber? See, climber are some plants which cannot grow by themselves. They cannot grow by themselves. They take help with the other plant to grow themselves. Like they take stick to grow themselves. So this climbers has weak stem, it has tendrils, hook or thorns for support. And here, if we talk about its example, then here we can say pea plant and money plant are the examples. Now if we talk about the creepers, what is this creepers? These creepers are the plant that cannot grow straight. It grows in the ground only. It has very soft stem. It cannot support their own weight. This creeps along the ground. As I have told you, it grows in the ground itself. It cannot stay straightly. And if we talk about this example, then we can say the pumpkin plant and the watermelon. We can say these are the examples of these creepers. Next, if we talk about the parts of a plant, what are the parts of plant? See, in parts we get its root, we get its stem, we get its branches, we get its leaves and flowers, we get. Next we get seeds and fruits. So these are all parts of the plant. Next, if we talk about its uses, what are the uses of plants? In how way we use the parts, the the parts of the plant. We will talk about the uses of plant. First is food and spices. See, as a food we use. How we get food from the plant? Why fruits we get and vegetables and grains. So these are the things which we get as a food from plant. Next, spices. If we talk about spices, see pepper, cumin and cloves. These are all the spices which we get from plant. Next, if we talk about paper, see paper from where we get? I think so you have heard about bamboo plant. Yes, from bamboo we get paper. And next, rubber, natural. Means the rubber, from rubber plant we get natural rubber. Next, fourth one is the things which we get. What are the things we get? Wood. Yes, of course we get wood to make furnitures, to make table, chairs. For this we get wood. Next, we get fibers like cotton and jute. Yes, some fibers also we get like cotton and jute. Next, fifth one, if we talk, it gives oxygen, shade and shelter. Yes, the trees give us oxygen, shade and shelter. Shelter to what? To animals and birds. Next, six, these flowers like lily, rose, jasmine, these all we get oil from there, like fragrance oil we get from them. And if we talk about the mustard seed and the sandalwood, from there we get the oil for the cook to make curry or anything else, chapati, anything. To make that we get oil from sandalwood and the mustard seed. And we get medicines also from the plant. How? By the tulsi plant we get medicines. Yes, by tulsi plant we get, by sandalwood plant we get medicines to make different kinds of medicines for ourselves. So these are the uses which we get, which we use from the plant. Now if we talk about the plants grow everywhere. See these plants, where are they grow? Where they are grown, in which places, in what season, in hot or cold. See, these plants grow everywhere, means where it find air, water, sunlight and the right soil for growth. There it grow very properly. Like they grow in different places like mountains, plains, desert, forests. So in these places it grows. Like we can say plant where the lily where it grows in the water, we can say. Yes, it grows in water. And if we talk about the wheat, sugarcane, rice, jute, bajra or maize, this all grow in which land? It grows on a flat plain lands. It grow. And if we talk about groves and orchard, where it grows? It grows in a place where it is neither too cold nor too hot. So these are the plants which grow in different seasons and in different climates. And if we talk about the coconut and what? Coconut and the different kinds of plants where it grows during the hot climate, where there is very hot, there it grows. What? The coconut plant. So this way the plant grow in different places. And if we talk about the desert, in desert what plants it grow? See, in desert the cactus plant, we all know that in desert cactus plant grow. So these are the plants which grow in different seasons and in different places. So today we have spoken about these plants, its types, its parts, its uses and where the seeds grows. Hope so children you all understood the concepts. Thank you.